Assalamualaikum everyone. So today I have a plan to do a house tour again. This is quite new house for us because we just moved here right before the UK lockdown. So yeah, I think we've been living here for about 10 months now. Now today I think I finally have a chance to make a proper video about this house. So this is a Summertown house. We are living in a 2-bedroom apartment now. I'm going to do a quick tour about this house. Let's start. Okay, I think I'm going to start here. So yeah, this is the door. And when you enter the house in your right, there's a hanger where you can put the coat and a scarf and everything. And on the left, over here, there's a little cupboard. There's a little cupboard where I put the face masks, hand sanitizers, and the bright lights and everything. And this is for the winter accessories. And over here I put some bags and miscellaneous. Okay, I think I'm going to start with the living room and the kitchen as well as the dining room. Okay, when you enter, I put my apron and oven glove and my bag over here. And this is a very long heater because we are living in a ground floor, so it's quite colder compared to another floor, of course. Yeah, so I got some plants over here. And I think this is the iconic sofa of Summertown House, the orange long sofa. So you can see over there, that's the office of Summertown House. That's another building. And you can see the roundabout, and this is the parking lot, some of the parking lot, because they have more at the back. Okay, yeah. So for the window film, we put it by myself. I mean, yeah, because it was clear when we arrived, so we just put window film for more privacy. Okay. And yeah, this is a really big armchair, the brown big armchair they provided for us. So anything else we provided ourselves. And this is actually my son's corner. This is the kitchen and then table. So yeah, it's pretty much his stuff. And now we are moving to the dining room. So this is the dining room. It's actually connected with the living room as well as the kitchen. They provide us with 3 high chair, so it's really fit with our family. So yeah, this is the dining room. And this spice rack is actually additional. I got it from my old neighbor. And yeah, it's pretty nice to have that spice rack. Okay, now talking about the kitchen, it has quite a lot of cabinets over there. Yep. Okay, we are going to see. They provide us with the stove, 4 stove, and then there's a oven over here. It's pretty old, but that's okay. And okay, and they provide us with the freezer. Let's check the freezer. That's the freezer. And they also have chiller. So yeah, so we have to separate the chiller and the freezer. Now let's check one by one what's inside the cabinet. So this is all instant noodle, and then instant noodle, not instant, there's also noodles. And over here I put all the flour, and over here the cooking sauce, and over here is the stocks, and here all the baking needs. Okay, and right here. Okay, I put all the spices over here, and also the rice over here, and over here is the cooking utensils and baking utensils, and over here is so many things over here, and this is all the glassware, the bowls, all the wood stuff, and I put all the food storage over here. And what else? I put tissue, sponge, tea towel over there, and then I put my mixer over there. Okay, so yeah, this is pretty much the kitchen of Summertown House. So I think I think the tour for the kitchen, the dining room, and also the living room is enough. Now we are going to move to the master bedroom. Let's go. Okay, so yeah, this is the master bedroom. There's a double bed over there, so that's the only provided by the apartment is the double bed. And oh no, not the only one, because there's also over here is drawers is also provided. Okay, yeah, let's take a look. Okay, so when you enter the room, you will find a double bed, and this desk and chair I got it by myself, so it's not provided. And the drawer is used as my son's closet, so I put all his clothes over there. And yep, there's a mirror, and this is the drawers, but I'm not gonna show it because it's a total mess inside it. So yeah, but this is quite nice, quite big. That's just enough for us because we don't really have a lot of clothes as well. So yeah, we have some hangers on the door as well. Okay, so this is the room. Now we are going to move to the study room and also the kids' bedroom. Okay, let's go. Oh, I think before it, I'm going to show. So next to the master bedroom is actually a bathroom. It's over here. That's the bathroom. I'm going to come inside. Come on. It has bathtub here, and shower, and then there's a mirror and the sink, and there is a cupboard. So here you can store some stocks over here. Okay. You can dry some clothes or anything, to towel and stuff over there. I also put the laundry bin over there because I have no other place where to put the laundry bin, so I just put it here in the bathroom. Okay, now we are going to move to the study room. Oops, okay, beforehand I'm going to tell you that there's a storage over here. Well, it's not really storage, it's actually a boiler room if I'm not mistaken, but I use it as a storage. Okay, so this is the study room. It looks like this. It's not that big, but it's enough. I mean, it's a good size for just one person working here. So it's usually my husband's working here. So we got some books over there and some documents above. And yeah, this is the desk, and the chair is all provided by the apartment. And I get some pictures over here. And this cupboard I use it as a storage. Here you will find a lot of things. My son's bike, and also scooter, and what is it? Clothes dryer, and my there's also my cleaning utensils like brooms, vacuum cleaner, and then mops and everything. Okay, so now the last room is my son's room. So this is a single bedroom. In my opinion, the kids' room is not really small because I found it's a little bit bigger than our previous apartment. So yeah, this is a nice single bedroom. Over there is the bookcase, and then the bed, and then there's a cupboard for the toys, and this is also, of course, for the toys again. And then it's a little carpet, and there's a blackbird and also whitebird actually, and of course toys. And this is the heater, and this is the wardrobe. Well, because my son's wardrobe is in our room, so this has become the storage room for his toys. So we do a toy rotation. So yeah, this is the kids' bedroom. So yeah, that's all for the house tour. Just to add more information, that we rent this 2-bedroom apartment for 1,200. What I love about Summertown House is that it's near the main road, so it's very close to go to the bus shelter if you need to go by bus. And you can find everything that you need in a Summertown shop, which is only less than a mile from Summertown House. So I think that's one of the things that we like. So I think that's all for the house tour today. I hope it's useful for you, especially who need it. And if you have some questions in regards to the house, you can contact me, or you can just comment below. Thank you very much for watching. Bye. Wassalamualaikum.